Hey guys, welcome back to another OBD mastery video. Now, today's video we're going to be talking about the dreaded P0019 trouble code. What exactly is it? What are the causes, symptoms, and how can you fix it? So let's get into it, starting off here with the introduction to what exactly this code is. So it indicates a correlation issue between the crankshaft position and the camshaft position, specifically for Bang 2 sensor B. It's a critical aspect of the engine timing and performance that can lead to significant operational problems if not addressed. Make it essential for vehicle owners and technicians to understand this code, as it serves as a diagnostic tool that helps in identifying potential malfunctions. Now, usually malfunctions are in timing, fuel efficiency, and much more. So it's just best to, if you're taking on a mechanic, to tell them all of that. But the symptoms of this code is pretty much just a check engine light, the activation, which is going to be on your cluster. Number two is just going to be engine performance. You're going to have poor engine performance. So if you're blipping the acceleration pedal and you notice that you don't have the power that you once had, that could be another symptom of this code. Rough idling as well. If you notice your car is vibrating more than usual, then that is also another symptom of this code. Engine stalling as well. So if your vehicle is just going into limp mode, or it's driving very slow and it doesn't drive any faster, you are in limp mode. That is another possible symptom of this. But poor acceleration we already went through, but those are the symptoms of this code. Now, the causes of the P0019 code. Now, you can have a worn timing belt or chain, so it's best to inspect those. A worn timing belt or chain can lead to a misalignment of the crankshaft and camshaft position sensor, causing the sensor to detect a correlation error, which is often the primary reason why the P0019 trouble code comes up. Now, poor electrical connections or wiring issues. Now, it's best to check these as well, because poor connections or corroded or loose connections can have a say in why this code is popping up on your OBD2 PCM port. But basically, it's best to check those wires. I know frayed wires are a culprit, and exposed wire as well. So it's best to check those if you're having, like pigtails or whatever. Just be aware that those are connected properly, and make sure that you're getting enough voltage. You could do a test with the multimeter and just kind of test those two factory specification. But moving on, we have faulty camshaft position sensor. These are like the number one cause of these issues. But going over and just replacing camshaft position sensor will kind of guarantee you a fix. But you got to see if the camshaft position sensor is actually out. So use a multimeter and just test that, see if it's actually okay. A good test, all right, basically would be testing the ports on the camshaft position sensor, and then putting a piece of metal on the camshaft position sensor while it's out. Make sure the ignition is on, and then if you're getting a reading, then that's good. Your camshaft position sensor is not faulty. But if you're not getting a reading, then that is actually going out. Now, malfunctioning ECM. A malfunctioning ECM can misinterpret sensor data due to software glitches. Now, this is a problem as well, but it's very rare. It's never zero, though. So another one is going to just be a damaged crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor will be damaged or compromised and may fail to accurately read the position of the crankshaft, leading to a discrepancy in the camshaft or crankshaft positions, causing the code to appear. And then the other one is just going to be insufficient or dirty engine oil. This is just number one. So if your car's just been out for a really long time and you notice that it's just it's just sat, and you check your oil and it's just kind of the viscosity of the oil, it's just like it's not oil, it's milky, or it's just really thin. That could also be a culprit of that. So just do an oil flush, and kind of do a fluid flush in general to kind of prevent this code. But basically, solutions for this P0019 code is just inspecting the timing belt or chain, testing the camshaft position sensor with a oscilloscope to check the camshaft position sensor's output signal, determine its functionality, and if the sensor is found to be faulty or not producing the correct voltage, it should be replaced to restore proper engine timing and performance. And then crankshaft position sensor, you're going to want to verify the condition and functionality of it. It's super crucial, all right? It plays a vital role in the engine's position, and any discrepancies can kind of mess with the erratic and give you erratic engine behavior. But Moving on, repair wiring or connections, inspecting wiring or connection for any corrosion. I've already mentioned it, but exposed wire can also mess you up too. And if you have any like sort of pigtails going on as well, make sure that you test the current coming in and out, and make sure that you kind of understand where a voltage ends and all of this stuff. Like kind of I don't necessarily know how to explain it that well, but just test the end of the connector and then the front of the connector, if that makes sense, voltage wise. But diagnose ECM issues. This is just it doesn't really matter, I guess. But if your ECM or you're not reading your OBD2 code is not reading, that could be your ECM. But change engine oil and filter, we've already mentioned that, but just doing a quick little flush can kind of make a difference. But anyways, guys, that's been it for today's video regarding P0019 code. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be sure to get to you. And if you have a specific engine question, let me know down in the comments. All right. Here on the OBD Mastery YouTube channel, we have certified technicians that can answer your questions and kind of get you the solution that you are hoping for. But nonetheless, thank you guys for watching another OBD Mastery video. Check out our catalog where we have lots of P0 code causes, symptoms, and solution videos. But until then, everybody, we'll see you all for the next video.